Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I always extend a warm welcome. I had the urge to fly a hex today, y'all, so I'm out at the park. Really nice weather, hardly any wind. There is some wind though. I know you can see the trees there moving, the leaves. This is my hex from Attop. This is the YD-A7, and it's one of my favorites. It's very unique in being a micro hexacopter, and it has these geared motors. So it's a geared prop setup on a hexacopter, and it's a micro. Very, very rare. I don't think there's any other company that did this with a hexacopter. It doesn't have as much pitch as I would like, but it's got enough pitch to get going. It's got a really nice yaw rate, but it's not deviated. And so that's my main gripe with this thing. It doesn't have altitude hold, so its only flaw is it doesn't have deviation. And I guess you can say that that slight lack of pitch is a flaw, but other than that, this thing has everything that it really needs. It's got an on and off switch, and it's got a cool look. But I'm gonna take this thing for a flight. This is my last flight of this guy probably before I do a chop chop on it, because I am going to add an MJX X800 brain inside this thing. So I'm going to remove the flight controller from the X800 from MJX and drop it in here so it can be deviated, and hopefully it turns out nice. But for now, let's fly this guy. This is the transmitter that we're stuck with flying it. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air. Okay, we're in high rates already. So this battery's been holding the charge half the day. So let me get a flip early. Does nice flips. Does them in all directions. See if we can get a backwards flip. Nope. I put it in LVC. Those flips did. It might be a false warning. Let's hope so. Let's fly this guy around a little. So you can see the lack of pitch that it has. That's full pitch forward. Definitely looks awesome in the air though. Check it out. A bug was on my face and I let go the sticks to try to swipe the bug off my face, and throttle went to 0. The range on this transmitter is pretty good though. So you can see this thing is a cruiser. When you bank the turns, it tends to pick up speed though. Try to avoid those trees there. I don't think it has enough pitch to do a manual flip. Let's go up high and try one anyway. So we pulled it off. We managed one. Let's try another one. Oh! So maybe this was a false LVC warning though. This is the best of a funnel we can get with it. So if you're not yanking and banking, this thing is a cruiser. For some reason, when you pitch it to the side, it tends to pick up a lot of speed. So I just want this thing to fly like the MJX X800. That thing is awesome, especially on deviation. It has insane pitch. And we're going down, it's going down. And it was all she wrote. So this is my Attop YD A7. Maybe the last time you guys seen it in its original form, flown with this transmitter here. Awesome little flyer. Looking forward to the chop shop. Let me know in the comments if you think that this is an awesome idea, or if you think that I shouldn't chop shop this guy, I should preserve it. Thanks for watching.